Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at how to resolve your Instagram ads payment issues. So this topic is one that I have always talked about on this channel, but then I have always talked about it and shown how to resolve the issue using a laptop. And most people don't actually get the gist. They don't know how to, navigate that process using their mobile phone, and that's why I decided to do this video, especially for those people who are using mobile phones. You don't have a laptop. All right, so the issue might be that you're trying to run ads on Instagram and you just find out that your Instagram ads account has been disabled, either because Facebook says that or Instagram says that you ran an ad before and you're owing them money, right? Or you find out that your ads account is in dollars and you don't have a dollar card. So what do you do? Now, there are actually two ways you can go about resolving this issue. So if you have a dollar ads account as your default ads account on Instagram and you have a dollar card, you can go on ahead to make payments for your ads in dollars, right? So you can either get a domiciliary account from your local bank account, or you can get a virtual dollar card from online banking platforms that actually offers that service. Then the second thing you need to do, or the second thing that you may have to do, is to create another ads account that is going to be in Naira and that is going to be offering you seamless payment. All right. And to create that ads account, you would need to actually go on to watch this video over here where I talked about how to create your ads account in Naira, a prepaid ads account that allows you to actually, fund your ads in Naira using a payment method that is going to be seamless and that Facebook also accepts. All right, so though this video is actually talking about how to create an ads account in Naira using a laptop, it's going to be showing you a clear roadmap to achieving this using your mobile phone. All right, so I'm going to be showing you shortly via my mobile phone how to actually navigate getting access to that platform that you need to create your ads account. Right, I'm going to be showing you how to do that on your mobile phone, right? But then you will need to watch this video to get the clearer picture. All right, so after watching this particular video, you're now going to be going to the description of this particular video, click on that particular video I did, and then go on to watch it so that you can have a better idea on how to go about creating another ads account and linking it to your Instagram account and then switching it to become the ads account that you're now going to be using to run ads henceforth. So this process is really very simple and straightforward if you follow through with it. So let's go now into my phone screen and I'll show you how you need to go about navigating your way to creating a new ads account via your mobile phone. First thing you want to do is to ensure that you're logged into your Facebook account via the web. So you know that facebook.com is different from Facebook mobile. So the Facebook mobile is when you log into Facebook via your Facebook app, while the Facebook web is when you log in through the web. That's you go to your browser and you type in facebook.com and they ask you to log in with your details. So you have to ensure that you're logged into Facebook through the web, right? So once you do that, all you need to do next is to come to a tab on your browser and then type in Facebook Business Manager. So let me type it here. So Facebook Business Manager. And it's going to bring out some search results. Just click on the first one. Now note that Facebook Business Manager is different from the Facebook Meta Business Suite, right? So once you open the Business Manager, it's going to be asking you to open the Meta Business Suite, but you need to know that the Meta Business Suite is or serves a different purpose, right? So while the Facebook Business Manager, which is also now known as the Facebook Business Portfolio, helps you to manage different advertising assets like your ads account, your WhatsApp accounts, Instagram accounts, and different Facebook accounts. The Meta Business Suite helps you to manage pages, right? It helps to manage Facebook pages and content as well. All right, so the next thing you're going to do once you're inside of the Meta Business account is you're going to be seeing all of these options here. So click on this hamburger option right here, straight line, click and you're going to be seeing settings. So click on settings, it came you to do verification, right? But you can already see that this interface is beginning to look like what we actually have on my laptop when I was showing you how to fix this or how to create a new ads account from via a laptop, right? So this is why you should go on to watch that video, right? If you haven't seen that video, you should go on to watch that video, because it's going to give you directions to work with, right? So once you complete this verification, I'm not going to be able to do that because this is not my ads account, and I won't be able to do that. So but for you, it will be easier for you to do this. So just click on verify account, and all you'll be required to provide is your email address, and then or the associated email that is already connected with your Facebook ads account and your business manager, and even your Facebook business profile, or your Facebook profile. So once you've completed the verification, this page or this interface is going to now be open for you to go on to click on create new ads accounts. Just follow the process that I've showed you to do via a laptop, and then you will be able to replicate the same process even on your mobile phone. All right, so all you're going to be needing to do is to create a new ads account and then link your Instagram ads account, right, to the new ads account you've created. So once you have created it, now I'm going to be showing you from an Instagram account how to now switch from your Instagram account that is having issues to this new one that you have now created. So once you're on your Instagram account, just navigate to clicking on this 3 straight line here, and then go to your settings and activity, scroll down to where we have the professionals, and click on add payments, right? So you'll see that there are actually 2 different payment options here. Let's click on these billings and payments, and let's see what we have here. So for most people, just like I was explaining, these payment settings is in dollars. So the whole point of what we've been trying to do is to, create another ads account that is going to be in Naira, so that we can actually go on to make our payments in Naira, right? So that's why we are going to be switching the ads account, okay? So it's going to ask you if you want to continue with your Facebook profile name. It is Mary at last. That's my Facebook profile name will be used to get your Facebook ad account info. If you'd like to use a different Facebook account, you can switch it now. So if your default Facebook ads account is having issues, then this option may not work for you, and that was why we created another ads account, right? So all you need to do is to click on switch Facebook account, right? So once you click on it, they will say Instagram wants to use facebook.com to sign in. This allows the app and website to share information about you. So I'm going to click on continue, and let's see where that takes us. Now it's going to ask us to select the Facebook account that we want to use. You're just going to go through the process of entering the password and all of that. All right, so I have now logged into this Instagram account with the Facebook profile that I actually used in creating the new ads account, remember. But now we don't want to use the default ads account for this ads, right, for this our Instagram, because the default ads account is actually having issues also. So that's one thing you also need to note. Now your Facebook profile comes with a default ads account that has or bears your name, right? So if you are having issues with that ads account also, you shouldn't go on to click on continue. Instead, you should click on change Facebook ads account, and then it is at this point that you're now going to be able to select the new ads account that you have created. All right, so now the new ads account you have created is going to now be highlighted here. So you can see now that this person has 2 Facebook accounts. One has been disabled and one has been closed. The particular that we actually created, the Instagram ads account, is not showing here because I did not do any of that, right? But for you, it's going to be highlighted here because you have already connected the Instagram account. So once you see it highlighted here, all you need to do is now go on to select it and then click on done. So once you click on done, it is now going to be your new payment method. So this is really very easy and straightforward. So the first thing you have to do is to create your ads account, and to create your ads account you need to go to Meta Business or Facebook Business Manager via the web. All right, create access your settings and then create a new ads account and connect your Instagram account to that ads account. If you don't know how to do that, please check the video that I created earlier to show you how to do that. Even though it is via the web, you can still apply it to a mobile phone, all right, doing it on your mobile phone. And after you do that, go back to your Instagram and then connect it just as I've shown you how to do. So once you follow this step-by-step process, you shouldn't have issues with running ads on your Instagram account via your mobile phone and making payment for it. All right, so if you follow this process and it doesn't work for you, let me know in the comment section, and that means that your case is special and you might need to come for special consultation with me. All right, so thank you very much for staying until the end. I believe that you have subscribed to our channel. I mean, you can't have gotten all this value and you still haven't subscribed. That is the only thing that you have to do for me. Subscribe and then also like this video. And if you feel that there is someone else in your contact who should also benefit from this value, please share it with them also, so that they would get this value as well. And thank you very much, and I'll see you in subsequent tutorials.